Okay, so to say I was thrilled when the brand reached out to me wanting me to test out this boneless couch is an understatement. I mean, I got to choose the color, this gorgeous gray, but I really was looking at that blue also, so make sure you check that one out. You can definitely connect the sofas together if you want to, and I did test out all the zippers and they glide really nice, even on the pillows. Now here I'm just showing you the thickness of the cushion that's inside, and it is super dense, which makes it super comfortable to sit on. Each seat holds 300 pounds. These do come in 2 boxes. They are vacuum compressed, so you do need to let them like fluff up a good 48 to 72 hours, and then they will be totally fine. You can see they do come with 2 stainless steel cup holders. That's a nice thing to have. Okay, so I just have to talk about these pillows. I mean, they feel better than my pillows on my bed. They are amazingly comfortable, super soft, just feel luxurious. So I decided I wanted my husband to test these out because he is 6'1", roughly 220 pounds, and this fits him just fine. He says he really loves the width of these armrests. There are at least 3 different ways that you can turn this couch to make it work, but I actually think I found a 4th one, but these are just a few here. It's a little hard to see, but here is a side pocket. That would be great for remotes. Here is another great option, so you can lay beside each other or just even sit beside each other. And then, of course, just the standard way that you would normally have a sofa. Let's talk about the pros of this couch. It was super simple to put together. It's boneless, so there's no parts to have to replace. It's extremely comfortable. It's got this really soft corduroy fabric. Everything can be washed. You can set it up 3 different ways. Thanks for watching.